Hello student, I am Professor J. D. Gauli, KK Bhatt College of Agricultural Engineering and Technology, Nasik, Department of Soil Science and Agricultural Chemistry. Today we discuss about the topic of how to determination of soil pH. Determination of soil pH. This instrument, in this figure, this is the pH meter, okay, and this is the electrode rod. Okay, let us see one by one. These are the contents we discuss about in brief. First one is the introduction, second one is the principle, third one is the equipment, fourth one is the reagents, fifth one is the apparatus, sixth one is the procedure, seventh one is the types of pH meter, then questions and then references. Okay, let us see brief of introduction. A pH meter is an electronic instrument used for measuring the pH, that is acidity or alkalinity of a liquid. Through a special probes are sometimes used to measure the pH of semi-solid substances. A typical pH meter consists of special measuring probes, likewise a glass electrode and a reference electrode. It is connected to an electronic meter that measures and displays the pH reading. Okay, then what is the principle of pH? What is meant by pH? pH is defined as the negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration. It is called as pH. Okay, that is the formula of pH is the pH is equal to minus log in bracket H plus minus. What is the P? P is the power and H is the hydrogen. That is H plus ions means hydrogen ion concentration. The pH of a solution can be measured by the pH meter. The glass electrode is an half cell and the calomel electrode is another half cell. These are the equipment of measurement of soil pH. These are the two equipments. That is, the first one is the glass electrode and second figure shows the reference electrode. In this picture here, glass electrode, this is the glass electrode, okay, this is the AgCl2, then this is the platinum wire, this is the pH meter, okay, this is the hard glass tube, okay, this is the 0.1 normal HCl solution, and this content shows that thin bulb of soda glass sensitive to, that is the H plus ions. And then second picture shows that the reference electrode. This reference electrode is, this button is the refill opening, this is the platinum wire, this is the KCl solution, and in reference electrode this is the mercury, then this is the porous plug, this plug shows that the porous plug, okay. Then what are the reagents are used for the pH measuring? First of all, A. Standard buffer solution, pH 4. For pH 4, prepare stock solution of 0.3 molarity potassium hydrogen pH salate by dissolving 15.3 gram of the analytical grade salt in about 225 ml of hot water. Then cooling the solution and diluting it to 250 ml. Then add a drop of toluene to discourage growth of microorganisms. For the standard buffer pH 4.0, then mix 100 ml of the stock solution with 500 ml water. Then prepare the fresh solution every week. Second, that is B, standard buffer solution pH is the 9.2. It dissolves 3.81 gram of sodium tetraborate in water and diluted to 1000 ml. And C, 1.0 normal potassium chloride solution. Apparatus. First we will discuss about in this apparatus. Then procedure. What is the procedure of pH? First, wet 20 gram air dry soil into beaker and add 50 ml of distilled water. Okay, and stir at regular intervals for 1 hour. Then second, in the meantime, turn the pH meter on, allow to warm up and standardize the glass electrode using both the standard buffers. Remember to the temperature compensation knob to the temperature of the solution. Then measure the pH of the sample suspension. Stirring the suspension well just before introducing the electrodes. Then next one, rinse the electrodes after each determination and carefully blot them dry with filter paper before the next determination. Then standardize the glass electrode after every 10 determination. Okay. This is the different types of pH meter. Okay. First one is the manual pH meter and second one is the digital pH meter. This is the manual pH meter. Okay. Manual pH meter, these are the different buttons are here. That is, this button shows the set 0 button. Okay, this is the set buffer pH adjustment of the buffer. Then next button shows that temperature compensation knob. This is the third button shows that the selector. Okay, that is the pH or this is the electrode. Okay, then this is the indicating meter. Display shows that the indicating the reading. This is the manual pH meter. Then next one is the this is the digital pH meter. Okay. Then what are the application of the pH meter? For the diagnosis of various disorders in human body. Then agriculture, then corrosion prevention, dyeing, then jam and jelly manufacture, printing, then dyeing, then jam and jelly manufacturing, then printing, then pharmaceuticals. Okay. Then conclusion. A pH meter is an electronic instrument used for the measuring the pH of a liquid or semi-solid substances. We exploited the properties of this indicator to determine with precision the acidity or alkalinity of various substances. Okay. Then pH meter is more useful than the other pH indicators because it gives accurate reading. For example, for detection of blood pH and can measure the pH of a liquid as well as semi-solid substances. Here we will see that the different types of questions. First, what P and H stands for? First question is what P and H stands for. Question 2 is what is the soil and water ratio used for the determination of soil pH. And third question, what is the utility of soil pH. Fourth one is what are the factors affecting the soil. References is Hesse P.R. 1972, a textbook of soil chemical analysis. Then second one, Jackson, M.L. in 1967, soil chemical analysis. Thank you.